rocking, everybody. Today is another beautiful day in the Shred and Grind studio. Today is Tuesday, August 10th, 2021. 2201. Tuesday, arm day. We're gonna get the arms blazing today. Arm, shoulders, for the most part, some abs. As you can see, you got the ab wheel back out again. Got the jump rope out here for some cardio. We're gonna crank these out. I got a band hanging up here. Do you see this? Right here. That boy right here. We're gonna do some pull downs, one arm pull downs. We're gonna do some two arm press downs. I got the bar band wrapped around the pole here because we're gonna do some bar band stuff while it's pulled. So we're gonna do bar band pulls, base pulls. We're gonna go on the other side. We're gonna do bar band presses. What else are we doing with bar band? Bar band face pulls. Bar band curl, so we're gonna bring it out and just curl it. It's gonna be rough actually, but we'll try it. Anyway, that's what we got today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on. All those fun things on a Tuesday. By the way, day 2 of the fast. Cranking it out, as we always do every week. We do not falter. We do not skip. I mean, I have to skip maybe here and there because I'm not here, but other than that, we do what we need to do. So, let's get started. First thing we got, of course, is some jump ropes. We got Chichi Boy out here too, just chilling over there. All right, first thing we got, some speed jump rope. You go fast, you can go slow, whatever you want to do. It's fucking hot out here, it's blazing. Go, just get it going, core tight, get some cardio going here. Don't forget to breathe, of course. Most important thing you gotta do during workouts is breathing. That's it, get it going, crank it up. Yes. Next, we got standing barbell press. So, we're gonna put this up here. We're gonna get in the middle of it, like this. And we're gonna press. Oh shit, that's tough. Tougher than I thought it was gonna be. So we're gonna lean, press, press. Go out further if you can. You gotta keep your core tight too, because you gotta keep yourself from going backwards. Oh, that was pretty rough. Barbell press. Standing barbell cross. So let's take the same thing. Let's go about here. Let's see if we can curl. Oh yeah. So all the way out. Lean back, curl it. Lean back further if you want to get more resistance here, but curl it. All the way out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, those are rough. Get on that ab wheel, because we love the ab wheel, don't we? Yep, we do. Get your little pad out so your knees don't hurt. Bring it all the way out. Oh yeah. All the way out. Remember, your arms are just there to keep you stable. Use your core. Pull yourself back. Right here. Core. Hold right here, come on. Oh yeah. Back to the top of the next set of 4. And we got some more jumping ropes. Jumping ropes. Jump ropes. Uh-oh. Oh. Thought I just busted my jump rope, but I did not. What is going on? Come on. Watch out for that band. Looks like I hit the band. That's okay. Speed is the name of the game here. We'll catch up. That's it, boom. Band press down. Grab that purple band from up top. 2 hands. Bring it down about here. And we're gonna press it. So this is all triceps right here. Press down, let me show you. Press. Bring it up to your chest, press. Chest, press. Extend it. It's tough. Bar band, face pulls. Grab that bar band again. And we're bringing it right to the face. So we're here, right to the face. Go back further again for better resistance and more harder. Lean back. Good for your shoulders right here. Oh yeah. love a good arm pump. Back to the ab wheels. Get on it. Go. All the way out. Come on. You can only go a little bit, like here, no problem. Go as far as you can. But eventually you got to work towards going straight out. One more, come on. Yes. Starting our last set of 4 with the jump rope. Oh my God, my eyes are sweating, burning. Let's get right here so you can see the technique, the speed. Listen. Oh yeah, listen to that speed. Yes, that's what you want to do. Okay, what's next? Bar band. I'm sorry, band. One arm pull down. So, right arm right here. You want to wrap it. You can wrap it and pull down. You want to go back further, get some resistance here. Oh, yeah. You would think that's easy, but it's not. That's killing my arm. Wrap it, left arm. Bring it back, bring it down, come on. All the way down, pull. One arm pulls, come on. Don't go slow here. You want to yank it down, get that resistance, and it's going to crush your arms and your shoulders right here. One more. Oh yeah. Last but not least, get on the ab wheel. Let's get 10 of these. 1, 2, no matter what time it ends, we're doing 10. 3, 4, 5, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, and bring out that 10 and hold it. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Pull it back in with the abs. Woo! That's all abs right there. Last thing. Whew, it's rough. So, that's our Tabata workout. I didn't even tell you what, you know, with the drill. 3 rounds, 6 minutes, 18 minutes of work, 6 minutes round, 12 exercises. You already know that drill because you probably watched other videos. Oh, look at that, sweating like crazy. Got a lot of sweat in the eyes, burning. That's what we do, we burn it. We shred and grind and burn. Like the sun is blazing down and burning me. No, not quite the same, but anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on, all those fun things. Glad you could be with me here on a Tuesday. August, hot month, should be the hottest month of the year. Maybe September will be, who knows? I just know it's in the 90s every day. So let's get it going. Neil the grinding wheel, peace out.